My name is Parrot, and I'm the deadliest player in the deadliest Minecraft server. And today, I thought of building a creeper farm, as I really needed TNT to trap this one person, clown people. And as the server-wide hunt began, I went looking for him. That's not clown people. Is that Clown Pierce? No. Until finally I found him. I have found Clown Pierce. This is gonna be a tough battle between me and Clown. Come here, Clown Pierce! Now you may be wondering how I just walked on air, and it's really quite simple, you see. With this simple design, you can easily walk on air. Now we just need to wait for Clown to get online. I just trapped the most powerful player on this deadliest Minecraft server. And the reason why I'm walking on air is still this. But then it got me thinking, what was the point of all of this? For you to like and subscribe!